Right, now I'm going to do a demonstration on Q12. Q12 is an instant rust remover. It's a mixture of hydrochloric and phosphoric acid in a jelly format. And what it does is the hydrochloric acid and the phosphoric acid convert iron oxide, which is rust, to iron phosphate. The product is very thick, and I find the best means of application is a toothbrush. It's very, very jellified. I have a rusted bar of steel here. And what I do is I apply the Q12 on, just wipe it on. The steel doesn't have to be prepped beforehand. Obviously, there are advantages to using a wire brush or sandpaper and sanding the product down first, but the Q12 can be applied. Q12 will take about 20 to 30 minutes to have a reaction with the iron oxide. So we're going to put this to one side now, and we'll come back and have a look at the results in about 30 minutes. Right, 30 minutes have passed. I'd like to go back and see what has happened to the Q12 rust remover demonstration, which we started with a bit earlier. As you can see, we had painted the Q12 on. There's quite a marked difference in the color of the rust remover versus the rusted bar. What we do now is we wash the product off with water. And as you can see, the rust has changed color. You can see the black residue coming off on the cloth. That is because the hydrochloric acid and the phosphoric acid have converted the oxide to phosphate, which you can now remove with water. We'll just give that a little bit more of a wash. This time I'm going to give it a bit of a scrub with the toothbrush. We dip it into the water, give it a rub down, and you can see the effect that the product has had on the rusted bar. The rust has gone.